Hi, hi. My name is Jamari Roberts Brooks, and today I'm going to show you how to make ice. First, what you're going to need is something to put the ice in. So I have no ice tray, so I'm going to use a cup. First, you start by putting the water on. Me, I like to put the temperature up a little bit, that way it can cool itself. Scrumptious. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna keep the ice and put it in the water and then put it in the freezer. Try to leave it in there for at least about a couple hours, and then it turns into a lollipop. And then once you're done with it, it turns into something like this. My name is Jamari. We're cooking at the crib, and I had a cool day. This ice is really good.
You gotta come up and say.
I was smiling too.
No, we'll talk about it. Jamari, here. Here. Just put it right here.
Is it rolling?